If you're looking for the best sewing and embroidery machine in 2-in-1, you're in the right place. A good 2-in-1 machine lets you sew everyday projects and also add beautiful embroidery designs without buying two separate machines. But not every combo machine is worth your money. Some are great for beginners, some are better for creative hobbyists, and a few are powerful enough for small businesses. So, in this video, we're counting down 7 of the best sewing and embroidery machines available right now, starting from number 7 and working our way to the best overall option. By the end of the video, you'll know which machine fits your budget, skill level, and the kind of projects you want to make. Let's get started. Number 7, Brother SE 700. Starting off the list at number 7 is the Brother SE 700. This machine is designed for people who want to start both sewing and embroidery without dealing with complicated controls. One of the things that immediately stands out is the wireless connectivity, which lets you send designs directly to the machine using the ArtSpira mobile app or Brothers Design database transfer software. You get 135 built-in embroidery designs, 10 lettering fonts, and 103 sewing stitches. So there's plenty to experiment with right out of the box. The 3.7-inch color touchscreen makes editing designs surprisingly simple. You can resize, rotate, and adjust your designs right on the screen before stitching them. For embroidery, the SE 700 uses a 4x4-inch hoop, which works well for smaller items like kids' clothes, patches, towels, or decorative accents. Another thing people appreciate about this machine is how quietly it runs, even when stitching quickly. The main limitation is that 4x4 embroidery area, which can feel small if you want to make larger designs. But if you're mainly working on small personalization projects, this machine does a great job. Overall, the SE 700 is a solid starting point for beginners who want modern features like wireless design transfer. Number 6. Brother SE 600. At number 6, we have the Brother SE 600. This machine has been one of the most popular beginner embroidery machines for years, and for good reason. It offers a great balance between affordability and features. The SE 600 includes 103 built-in sewing stitches, 80 embroidery designs, and 6 lettering fonts, giving beginners plenty of options without overwhelming them. Like the SE 700, it also uses a 4x4 embroidery area, which is perfect for small projects like monograms, patches, and personalized gifts. The color touchscreen display makes it easy to preview designs and adjust them before stitching. Another helpful feature is the automatic needle threader and jam-resistant drop-in bobbin, which makes setup much easier for new users. Since this is a single needle embroidery machine, you'll still need to change thread colors manually during embroidery designs. That's completely normal for machines in this price range. The biggest strength of the SE 600 is its simplicity. It's one of the easiest machines to learn if you've never tried embroidery before. If you're looking for an affordable entry point into sewing and embroidery, the SE 600 is still one of the safest choices available. Number 5. Poulin EOC05. At number 5, we have something a little different, the Poulin EOC05. This machine is focused entirely on embroidery rather than sewing, but it's included here because many people pair it with a basic sewing machine to create a complete setup. The Poulin EOC05 was designed with beginners in mind, and the first thing you'll notice is the large 7-inch color touchscreen, which is much bigger than most machines in this price range. It also offers a 4x9.25-inch embroidery area, giving you more space than typical beginner machines. The interface runs on InStitch OS 2, which is designed to guide new users step by step. It's one of the reasons many first-time embroidery users find this machine easy to learn. You get 96 built-in patterns, 9 fonts, and the ability to transfer designs through Wi-Fi or USB. Another thing users often mention is that the machine arrives pre-threaded and ready to use, so you can start practicing embroidery almost immediately. Because Poulin is a newer brand, some people still wonder about long-term parts availability. But the company has been praised for responsive customer support and helpful tutorials. If your main goal is embroidery rather than sewing, the EOC05 is a beginner-friendly option with a generous hoop size. Number 4. Brother SE 1900. Coming in at number 4 is the Brother SE 1900. This machine is where things start to get more serious. Compared to entry-level machines, the SE1900 offers a larger 5x7 embroidery field, which opens the door to much bigger and more detailed designs. You also get 240 sewing stitches, 138 embroidery designs, and 11 embroidery fonts, making it a versatile machine for creative projects. The 3.2-inch color touchscreen allows you to edit designs, combine patterns, and preview the final result before stitching. One of the features many users love is the knee lifter, which lets you raise the presser foot without taking your hands off the fabric. That's especially helpful when working on larger sewing projects. The SE1900 also includes automatic needle threading, adjustable speed control, and a drop-in bobbin system, all designed to make the machine easier to operate. Because of its larger embroidery area, the SE1900 is often used by hobbyists running small customization projects like embroidered apparel or personalized gifts. The only thing missing here is automatic jump stitch trimming, which you'll find on more advanced models. Still, for many users, the SE1900 is the sweet spot between price and capability. Number 3. Janome MemoryCraft 1000. At number 3, we have the Janome MemoryCraft 1000. This machine is packed with creative options, offering 300 built-in sewing stitches and 241 embroidery designs, along with 11 embroidery fonts. The embroidery area is about 5.5 by 5.5 inches, which gives you more space than beginner machines while still keeping the machine compact. One interesting design choice is the rear-mounted embroidery arm, which helps keep the machine footprint smaller and easier to store. The 3.5-inch color touchscreen allows you to resize, rotate, combine, and edit embroidery designs directly on the machine. Another standout feature is the optical bobbin sensor, which warns you when the bobbin thread is running low so you don't accidentally ruin a design halfway through. The machine also includes automatic thread cutting, LED lighting, and free-arm sewing, making it useful for both embroidery projects and everyday sewing tasks. For crafters who want lots of built-in stitches and creative embroidery options, the MemoryCraft 1000 offers impressive versatility. Number 2. Janome MemoryCraft 985. Oh, at number 2 is the Janome MemoryCraft 985. Oh, this machine is built for people who want a more advanced combo machine without stepping into extremely expensive territory. It includes 200 sewing stitches and 173 built-in embroidery designs, along with a large 6.7 by 7.9-inch embroidery area, which is one of the biggest in this lineup. That extra space makes it easier to create larger embroidery designs without constantly rehooping your fabric. The machine also features automatic thread cutting, adjustable speed control, automatic tension, and built-in memory functions for saving custom designs. Janome machines are known for smooth stitching, and the 9850 is no exception. Many users mention how quiet and stable it feels while sewing. The embroidery editing tools allow you to resize, duplicate, flip, and combine designs right on the screen. While it's not the easiest machine for complete beginners, it's an excellent choice for intermediate sewists who want more control over their projects. Number 1. Brother SE 2000. Taking the number 1 spot is the Brother SE 2000. This machine brings together powerful embroidery features and beginner-friendly controls, making it one of the most balanced combo machines available today. You get 241 sewing stitches, 193 built-in embroidery designs, and 13 embroidery fonts, along with a 5x7 embroidery field that works for a wide range of projects. The 3.7-inch touchscreen makes it easy to preview and edit designs before stitching. One of the biggest advantages of the SE2000 is its wireless connectivity, which allows you to send embroidery files directly from your computer or through the ArtSpira mobile app. The machine also includes automatic jump stitch trimming and color sorting, which helps speed up embroidery projects and reduce manual cleanup. Despite its advanced features, the SE2000 is still beginner-friendly thanks to its automatic needle threader and intuitive controls. For hobbyists, creators, and even small customization businesses, this machine delivers a strong combination of convenience and performance. That's why it takes the top spot on this list. So those were the best sewing and embroidery machines you can buy right now. If you're just getting started, machines like the SE600 or SE700 are excellent entry points. If you want a larger embroidery area and more creative control, the Brother SE1900 or Janome 9850 are fantastic options. And if you want the best balance of features, connectivity, and embroidery capability, the Brother SE2000 is hard to beat. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Sewing Gear Hub for more sewing machine reviews and comparisons. And if you want to check the prices or learn more about any of these machines, you'll find the links in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.